So how do you add a time on the home screen of the iPhone? Let me show you exactly how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, when you are on your home screen, in at the top left corner, you can see the time at all times, right? So even if you are inside of any application, you can see the time is right there. But a lot of people are interested in a clock on the home screen. So that is how you can do it. That's kind of how it works, because you have to just hold it down on the home screen like that. Click on Edit in the top left and tap on Add Widgets. And you don't necessarily have to download anything. All you have to do is just to scroll through the options there and find the built-in clock app in the widgets list. And by default, it's going to give you the digital clock, which you might want to add to the home screen or switch to a different type, right? So we have like different styles. You might decide you want to have an analog clock or a time on the home screen, and you can go through it, right? A few like types are available, so you can pick from those. Okay, so that is how it works. Of course, you also have like the digital clock for the world and also the analog for cities. So this is for, a selected city. So this is not for your local time, but for example, for time in a different time zone. So this might also be very helpful, but that is essentially how you can add it to your home screen. If you don't like these options, you can try to look something up inside of the App Store, where you can look up the clock widgets, and there are going to be some options, but those third-party ones might have some ads or even subscriptions in place, so it depends on the app that you find. But that's all I wanted to show in this video. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials like this one.